So, welcome you in day 3, and today we will be talking about last day I have already given you hint crafting perfect affirmations, the 6-step formula, step by step. It's very simple, very simple, and you can do it because I have also done it from my mentors. My mentors have taught me, my mentor, they have made me perfect in making affirmations. So yesterday we learned the basics, that is how I've told you about the 4 features. So from what we learned yesterday, we'll move little ahead, little advanced, okay? So we'll move from knowing affirmations to creating affirmations that actually work. Like yesterday I said, write your own affirmations, make your positive, powerful affirmations like I'm energetic, I'm healthy, I'm rich, I'm worth, I'm enough. So today we will see how we can make these beautiful affirmations in like which works for us. So now the step 1, be clear about your goal. Like if you have this vague affirmations like I want more money, so it's not correct. Like more money means, like suppose you're earning 100, so do you want only 200? More money means what? More money for a beggar can be 200. More money for a rich can be 2 crores, 2 millions, 2 billions. We don't know. So you have to say, I am financially free. So talk about financial freedom. Financial freedom means like you can buy whatever you want. You can do whatever you feel like. You can go anywhere. So that is the financial freedom. Like I say, I'm rich. I'm financially free. Number 2, use positive language, because our subconscious mind does not understand negatives, doesn't understand. If I keep on saying I have no debt, means it it actually removes no, and it says I have debt, I have debt. So instead of that you can say I am abundant. Yes. Step number 3, we have discussed it in the previous day also. Use present tense. Always speak as if it is happening now. I am financially free. I am abundant. Okay. Number 4, add emotions masala. If like in a movie, there is no emotions, no fight, no anger, no love, any emotions they are missing in the movie, how boring that movie will be. Similarly, you have to add emotions, because emotions are the fuel of manifestations. More the fuel, more the fire. Remember, if your flame of your gas is low, the food will be cooked. It may take longer time. If like it is in a medium or high, your food cooks get cooked faster. Similarly, emotion is the fuel of manifestations. So, like for example, I'm deeply grateful for my abundant life. Means deeply gratitude, yeah, it's coming from the heart. Number 5, step number 5, be specific. Like for example, just don't say like am earning I'm earning too much. What is too much? So instead of, you can say I earn 1 lakh rupees per month effortlessly. Means so specific, means you're specific about the money, you're specific about like without effort, means you're happily you're doing it, means whatever you're doing it so effortlessly that you don't feel stressed. Step number 6, speak as if it's already achieved. Like for example, you can say to your friends, like like for example you're meeting him 3 months from now and you're telling it really happened, it has already like you have already achieved this. So it means the happiness, how happy you will feel. So you can do this. It's telling your friends, my dear friend, after like for example this is January, so you tell him like as if like it has already been achieved. Like for example, let's talk about now one aspects like health. I'm healthy, strong, and bursting with energy. Okay. Like for wealth, you can say money flows to me effortlessly and abundantly. For career, you can say I am a confident leader who inspires my team. Such a beautiful, full of emotions, full of positiveness, isn't it? Now, your exercise for today is pick one personal goal. It can be career, it can be health, it can be wealth, it can be relationship, any goal. Apply all these 6 steps and say your affirmations loud. Say it loud. And please type your affirmations in the comments so that it can inspire others. And tomorrow we expand this across every life area, and we can understand, each life area is important. Like, for example, if I am healthy, I have a good career, I have good relationships, everything. But money, I'm not getting money, so I'm not be able to be happy, because every time I'll be feeling that I am lacking this in my life. So see you tomorrow, and we will be working on all the areas of our life. So see you tomorrow.